real-life application of plane and solid mensuration. This is my comment first.
I'm the Cadet Torres.
I'm the Cadet Alisar.
I'm the Cadet Liaga. I'm the Cadet Cadenas.
Hi, I'm Eljan C. Boris and my topic is rectangles. In maritime context, rectangles are found in shapes like flooring, docks, solar panels on vessels, and cargo hatches. Mensuration helps to determine the area for installation, safety equipment, and cargo distribution. If the cargo bay is 10 meters wide and 20 meters long, that's 200 square meters for usable space. Importance for organizing containers efficiency.
Good day everyone, I am Christian Philip Cadenas and today I'll discuss about cube. Cubes are used in marine cargo packaging, especially in standard shipping containers and supply boxes. Mensuration helps determine how many cubic meters a container holds, which is vital for balancing the ship's load and avoiding capsizing. A cube-shaped container with 2 meters edges help 8 cubic meters. This is crucial info when stocking them in a cargo hold.
Hi, my name is General Lisser. My topic is circle. Uses circle in ship's steering wheel, life rings, rudder scan, and protocol. Mensurations have determined area and circumference. For example, calculating how much rope to encircle a lifebuoy or down, range, a shape, rudder scan. However, if an area radars are 5 kilometers, reduce the coverage area is over 78 square kilometers. Critical safety futures safe area.
Hi, my name is Jerome DJ Iliaga and I'm talk about prism. Prism appear the sign of the ship, hulls, cabin, and navigational beacons. Triangular and rectangular prism are used in floating structures or lightning optics. Mensuration helps calculate surface area for painting, anti-rust coating, and volume to ensure buoyancy. For example, a triangular prism-shaped buoy must be measured accurately to stay effect and visible.
Hi, I'm Apolek, and I'll be talking about cylinders. You see, cylinders are common in maritime operations, like fuel tanks on ships, compressed air cylinders for divers, or buoys floating at sea. Engineers use mensuration to calculate the volume of these tanks, ensuring enough fuel or air stored for long voyages. For example, an engine room might have a cylindrical tank used to store 5,000 liters of fuel. Calculating this correctly ensures ship doesn't run out mid-journey.
That's all. Thank you, and we hope you learned something.
Optics. I ensure buoyancy.
Saboy? Kadi